What is going on, YouTube? Back at it again with a win this time. First No News Monday win in a while. I think the last No News Monday win I took was the 16th of February. Yeah, 16th of February. So it's been a while, but let's get into this trade recap. Today was you had to be actually patient. Today was just you can see it was chop city, but you definitely could have caught some longs. About shorts, I'll talk about that because I was gonna take shorts. Like coming into the day, I had a bearish bias, right? Because first of all, we have this new week opening gap right here, sold off pretty heavily. We also had relatively equal lows. ES, same exact thing. Had London highs inside that new week opening gap. So it was honestly like pretty obvious that we were gonna just come up, take out the highs, and then push lower. Because when market opened, that's honestly what we did. If we came down and took out some lows, then I would have, longed, but we did not end up doing that. So let's get into this trade recap. So firstly, market opens, we push above London highs on NQ. ES does now make a bearish SMT on the 5-minute. Let me mark this out for you guys. Bearish SMT on the 5-minute, right? Everyone's thinking, oh, shorts, now is the time. And here's my problem with shorts, right? I saw this, right? This inverse. What the fuck is that? This inverse. I would have taken it. I took this in my mind. Like I didn't actually take the trade. I took this in my mind and I was like, all right, if we get past this, fair value gap, break even is going to be here. What happens? We get past that fair value gap and then I would have ended up getting stopped out literally by like one tick. Probably because market order, you wouldn't have gotten filled here. You would have gotten filled like somewhere around here. So you would have gotten stopped out even if you had break even here. You would have gone stopped out on this play, right? Shorts were really not the move. I mean, it was just, I don't know. We didn't have that type of volume for shorts. So that's my issue with shorts today. But there's probably going to be people in the comments talking about, no, shorts were the play. Shorts were the play. Shorts were the play until this 15-minute gap when we took out this low. So I don't want to hear it. Now, going over to ES. Yes, ES had some more action for shorts. I think it had the same play. Let me see. Off this inverse. Boom, break even here. Yeah, you would have gotten stopped out at break even as well on ES. So that's why I didn't like shorts. I took it mentally, but I didn't really take the trade. Then we started coming down, sleeping out this liquidity, and I was like, all right, bro, like it might just be a no trade day, and I'm fine with that. I'm actually trying to like be more patient, especially this month. And then this is where things got what the fuck? Okay, and then this is where things got interesting. We started coming down, right? We made this 5-minute gap. Boom. NQ, same exact thing, made this 5-minute gap. Let me get rid of this so I'm not confusing myself. Made this 5-minute gap that we inversed, right? And I'm like, all right, perfect. Both indexes inversed. It looks like we're creating bullish order flow. If we can come down on the 1-minute, respect this 1-minute gap, I'm willing to go long. Shit. And target on NQ, would have targeted these market open highs. On ES, if I went long, I would have targeted the London highs, right? No, bro. So for the people who went long after the 5-minute inverse, I feel bad for you because you instantly probably got stopped out. We also had these equal lows on NQ, so I don't know why you would be longing until these. Fuck, I can't talk. I don't know why you'd be longing. I would want to see NQ at least take out these equal lows first before taking a long. So that's why I didn't take a long there. ES, same exact thing, inverse the gap, then we shit the bed. And then this is where things got more interesting. So we made a 5-minute bullish SMT. Boom, 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 right? And then we started pushing up. NQ for me was glitching. I would have taken the trade here off this inverse, but I'm glad I didn't because, first of all, we already took on my break-even point, so there's no point in me doing that. Second of all, this candle was glitching on NQ for me. I couldn't see it. So I was like, all right, I'm just going to wait. And if this, where was it? Okay, yeah. So if this candle inverses this 1 minute gap, then I'm willing to go long. We inversed it, came up. My initial break even was right here, and then we started getting a. Bro, let me try that one more time. I don't know what the fuck's going on. We came up, initial break even was here. We started getting legs down. We formed this high, right? And this is important. This is what I've been watching price do lately. We formed this high, right? And I was like, okay, now this is my new break even point, because if we move past it, there should be no reason we start coming down. We came up, move stops to break even, and then we started coming down. So break even trade on that, which I was fine with because I probably would have gone stopped out. I mean, I had my, where did I have? Yeah, since the entry was kind of shit, I had my stop loss right here. So I would have gone stopped out. Now, let's get into the winning trade, which was on ES. We had, did NQ, or did ES? Yeah, ES barely inversed it. See, on ES, if I took that trade on ES, I would have gone stopped out probably. Yeah, because we never came back up to this high, which I would have moved my new break even to here, but we never came up to that high. Now, let's get into the second trade. Basically, we came down, disrespected this 1 minute gap, and I was like, all right, bro, like, can we pick a direction? I'm getting tired of this shit. I saw that we made these 2 1 minute gaps, or you can call it a 2 minute gap. I don't have the 2 minute. We inversed it on ES. NQ's inverse was all the way up here. So I was like, fuck it. I'm taking this, break even at the high. Move stops to break even as soon as we hit that. First take profit was right here at these highs. Second take profit was here. But since I have a consistency goal to meet, I closed out right here just because if I went past this, consistency would have been fucked and no payout for me. So, yeah, that's the trade today. Very happy with it. Played it patiently. You know, I'm after last week, dude, I was just so out of it. And I just took the weekend off, relaxed, journaled on some reasons why I was losing trades, and it's just I wasn't patient. I won't lie, I wasn't patient. So yeah, that's the trade recap from today. I appreciate you guys for watching this trade recap. If you haven't, follow social medias. Traders Corner, I believe. Let's see what Traders Corner said. It looks like everyone smacked fucking TP today in Traders Corner. Took a short on ES, smacked TP, and then took a short on NQ and smack TP. Okay, so see the shorts worked out, but this is risk to reward. What is it? Yeah, pretty much a 1-to-1. And then another dude took a break-even trade and then a win. As you see, Traders Corner is fucking eating. So if you haven't, join. I'll see you guys in the next trade recap. Yeah, I got nothing. See you.